when you start trading in the Forex market as a beginner, you're going to be welcomed with a plethora of currency pairs that you have access to trade. Most of these currency pairs have their own pattern and have their own unique character. So which of these ones would you trade on, and how do you even start from that? So in this video, I'm going to recommend some of the currency pairs you will pay attention to as a beginner in the Forex trading market. So let's just jump into that quickly, and I'll show you what exactly is a currency pair, especially if you have no understanding of how to even read currency pairs. So if you're joining us for the first time, this is a complicated to trade in the Forex market. You're going to have a demo account to start practicing. You will learn how to do analysis. So these are all the videos that will be in this particular course. This is a playlist. Go ahead and watch the rest of the videos before this particular one. So let's get back to discussing about currency pairs. So what exactly is currency pair? We normally trade Forex in currency pair. Let me show you what that means. So let's assume you have United States dollar and you want to get euro. So basically you will walk up to. So basically you walk into your bank that can exchange that for you. So when you do that, you're actually trading currency pair. You are giving US dollar in exchange for euro. And this is how this thing is read. I have an example right here. So Forex pairs are mostly shown in such a manner. This is GBP, USD, Great Britain pound, and the United States dollar. So this is how it looks like. The one on your left hand side, you can see I name it this currency. And then the one on your right hand side is called the counter or the quote currency. So this is how this thing is read. This is one of the very basic of understanding how currency pairs behave. So there are basically three types of currency pairs. We have major currency pairs, we have crosses, and we have exotics. So I will want to advise you to stick with the majors because they have the highest number of liquidity in the market. The major pairs are basically currency pairs that are paired with the United States dollar. Okay, they are the currency pairs that are paired with the United States dollar. You can see the currency pairs listed below are considered the majors. These pairs all contain the United States dollar on one side. You're going to see them right here. So these are the currency pair you should be trading as a beginner in the Forex market. Euro USD, USD JPY, GBP USD, USD Swiss franc, USD CAD, and then Australian dollar USD, New Zealand dollar USD. You're going to see the names right here. So these are the currency pairs you should be focusing on, starting from the Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY. In fact, for better understanding, I would just recommend that you stick with Euro USD and GBP USD because that is the best way to start. They have a very good delivery in the market. You wouldn't want to see your chart or the market behaving somehow. Let me show you a chart of Euro USD. Then I'm going to explain how to literally interpret that. So what we are seeing right here is Euro USD on MetaTrader 4. This is the 4-hour time frame. And what we see right here is that we see this price coming down. What we basically have when we see price coming down, since we have Euro USD, the one on your left hand side is known as the best currency, don't forget. And then the one on your right hand side is known as the quote currency. So what we have right here, when we see price going down in value, you can see your market price around here. As you see within this level, as market keeps going up, it means euro is strengthened against the United States dollar. And then when this chart is coming down, it means euro is weakened against the United States dollar. Just forget about the one on the right hand side. Just block it and just assume that whenever you see price coming down, it means euro is coming down in value. Okay, so whenever you see the price going down, just know that euro is reducing in value. That means it is going lower in value than the United States dollar. And then when this chart is going up, it means euro is strengthened against the United States dollar. So if you want to get all the major currency pairs, all you have to do is to come here to Market Watch and select Euro USD. You can see GBP USD. If you right click, and then you come here, you can see hide all. If you hide everything, if you click on this, you're going to see all the ones you selected. If I click on this and click on show all, it will bring every single currency pair that I will need So you see them here, GBP, USD, Euro, USD, USD, JPY. So these are the currency pairs that are best for you as a beginner trader in the Forex market. So make sure you trade with these ones. Then in the next video, I'm going to teach you how to understand bid and ask price. Make sure you also subscribe to this channel if this is the first time you're coming over here. Then I'm going to show you more and more about the Forex trading market. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.